How to apply for the National Accreditation Support Fund for NAFCC accreditation. Congratulations! By applying for the National Accreditation Support Fund, you're taking the first step toward accreditation with the National Association for Family Childcare, or NAFCC. This tutorial will guide you through the steps and requirements of applying for support funds. Let's begin by reviewing the purpose of National Accreditation Support Funds. Funding covers only NAFCC application fees and annual update fees. Funds may not be applied to membership fees, program improvements, staff training, or other accreditation expenses. Support fund awards are paid directly to NAFCC on your behalf. To find the National Accreditation Support Fund, start by visiting earlychildhood.marylandpublicschools.org. Next, search for Accreditation Support Fund. Then, select the Accreditation Support Fund link. On the application page, choose the Apply Online link. Before you begin the application, we recommend collecting all the required documents. All programs must submit 4 documents. 1. A copy of the NAFCC accreditation fee page. 2. A completed accreditation work plan. 3. A copy of your completed NAFCC accreditation, re-accreditation, or annual update application. And 4. Proof of membership in NAFCC. If your program is currently accredited, a copy of the accreditation certificate is also required. To find the NAFCC accreditation fees, visit their website at nafcc.org/accreditation-FAQ. Under the NAFCC accreditation fees heading, you will find the information about fees. Fees are subject to change, so check this webpage for current fees each time you apply. The Accreditation Work Plan is a document you will write detailing the tasks that NAFCC requires for your program to achieve accreditation. The plan also needs to include due dates for each task. To submit a copy of your completed application, follow these steps. First, on the NAFCC website, select Accreditation Forms and Accreditation in the navigation menu. In the Accreditation Resources, you will find the accreditation application. Please be sure you are completing the accreditation application and not the self-study enrollment form. Next, fill in all available information on the NAFCC accreditation, re-accreditation, or annual update application. Note, this will not include your National Accreditation Support Fund award letter. Finally, upload a screenshot or printed and scanned copy of your filled-in NAFCC application to Maryland One Stop. To share proof of membership in NAFCC, follow these steps. 1. Log into your NAFCC account. 2. In Reminders, choose Print Membership Card. 3. Upload a photo or scanned copy of your membership card to One Stop using the section that reads, Upload Proof of National Accreditation Membership here. If you are applying for reaccreditation, a copy of your current certificate is required. If you do not have a copy, please contact NAFCC at accreditation@nafcc.org to receive a certificate by mail. Once you have completed the National Accreditation Support Fund application and all necessary documentation, you are ready to upload everything to One Stop portal. MSDE will review your completed application within 30 days of submission. You may check the status of your application at any time using One Stop. You will hear from us through emails and One Stop messages. If you have questions about the National Accreditation Support Fund, contact us at accreditationsupport.fund@maryland.gov.